Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to activate CBD credit card by SMS. So guys, let's get started and dive into this video. First step guys, log in your account and follow the instruction your activate your account. So guys, log in your account and CBD. This from here login option. CBD for example this one. If you have personal account, click login your information. After that guys, you need to register before activate credit card and then send SMS space SMS space last 4 digit of card number and space 4 digit clear pin to this one 4266, and from here register mobile number with CBD, and please note that you'll be effective for next business day. Phone calls guys, our customer service. If you have any problem you can call this customer service and 600575556 and choose option 4 after language selection. So guys, just send SMS to this number pin to 4266 and write your activation. Write this simple template guys, as you can see on your phone number. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question.